So if you're using either a mobile, a computer or laptop, just go to any search engine of your choice and search for Meta Portal. Then on this first link here, click it. It will lead you to that page. Now, if you are registering for the first time, you have to key in your details by coming to this place and click as a register as a new user, or either use this place to register as a new user. So when you click on that, you have to key in your civil ID. You have to key in your civil ID serial number. You have to key in the mobile number that you have that you're using. And lastly, you have to key in your email address. And when you're done now, you have to check in this box here so that you accept the terms and conditions and then click on register. Once you are done, you'll be led to this page over here. Now, once on this page, you're not going to find any details here on the appointment number, on the tenant name, and the department name, since you have not done any service on this site. But if you have already done any service on this site, this serves as a history. But if it is your first time, this is the place that you have to click to be able to search an appointment. Now, once you're logged in and you've already clicked on appointment search, you're going to search for Ministry of Interior. Click on it and you search for General Department of Personnel Identification. Click on it. Then, since you're looking for biometric enrollment, come and click apply. So it will lead you to this page where you're supposed to choose the location that you want to go for the biometrics. So choose any location of your choice. So if the place is not full, you're going to find the color is not red. You're going to find like black, meaning that there are some slots. But if it is red entirely full, 15 out of 15 here, it means that the day has been fully booked. So you're going to search for options. And if by any chance you get that is not fully booked, then you can go ahead and select. Then you click and your appointment will be set. Now, if by any chance you get any challenge logging in, or you have any problem, we have their contact details here right below. You can either call them or email them and you'll get assistance.